I just settled a case recently, and my client, he was a worker and he didn't get a bona fide meal break and a bona fide rest period for 3 years. Now, I'm not saying he didn't get any lunches, but in the state of California, if you work more than 5 hours, your employer is required to give you one bona fide duty-free 30-minute unpaid lunch period. Now, during this guy's employment, the employer gave him a 30-minute lunch period, but then they always called him back to work after 10, 15 minutes. Now, check it out. If your employer gives you a 30-minute lunch break, but then makes you work during that 30-minute lunch break, well, I was going to ask you a question, but that's not a lunch break. And that goes the same with rest periods, right? You're supposed to get one 10-minute rest period that's paid for every 4 hours of work that you do. So in an 8-hour shift, you need two 10-minute rest periods. And they didn't even give that to him. Apparently the flow of work was too great where he couldn't even take a real 10-minute rest period. So since that was the case, the employer had to pay him 2 extra hours of premium pay a day for every day that he worked for 3 years. It was awesome.